everybody, this is a trade from Rick, who lives on the west coast in the US. This is from his trade log. I've just cleaned it up a little bit. So this nicely shows how he was able to spot a massive stop run move in advance, like before taking a trade. This take was traded in the Euro Swiss. That's based on the S2 system, going short on the 5-minute chart. So he generated with that a really nice R multiple, 4.6 R. Now let's have a look how the chart presents itself. So this is the 5-minute chart, 15, 60, 240 daily and weekly. We can see here's the S2 multi-bar pattern. But what we are more interested now, and you can read as well what his comments is before taking the trade. So we see here a stop run level opportunity, right? And that makes it likely for a massive stop run move. Well, the real opportunity we can actually see here on the 240-minute chart. That is 1, 2, 3 time frames higher than the trade was actually executed. This is short. We're going short here. This is the stop, and this this box marks the 1 hour risk. So what we see here is, well, these are stop run levels. This is the stop run level, 2, 3, 4, and there are even more stop run levels further below. So this is what happened with this trade, right? So this was the entry, and then we see this big surge, right? This drop in price, cutting through these stop run levels, cutting through the big number. This is a big number down here. Well, this is one up here, the 96. But the real reaction, what we saw with cutting through the 95.00 big number. This was his last stop out. That's at the 11-hour level. Now let's have a look how the 240-minute chart, I've just cleaned it up for you. How does that look like, or how it looked like? Well, he initiated the trade short here on the 5-minute chart, right here at this chart level, going short, and this is his stop marked by the box. These are the stop run levels. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, they're more than that. 7, 8 stop run levels. So this is what we call a stop run move. It's like a knife cutting through butter, right? It's an accelerated move through the stop run levels. Now this was the last move, right? Taking out this level, taking out the big number stop run level, and taking out this level, and it couldn't get to the last 2 stop run levels immediately, right? So this first move, exponential move down, and then he was stopped out somewhere at this area, and then actually price went lower, right? Taking out this level and close to taking out this level. So this is the opportunity that has been spotted here, right here, when entering the trade, and it was nicely reaped. So well done.